Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are moving into one of the most powerful module in Odoo, that is accounting. A lot of people think accounting is complicated, but Odoo make it very structured and automated. In this video, I will answer 4 key questions that every business and every Odoo user must understand. So I will explain each point briefly and show where it happens inside Odoo so you can connect the theory with the system. So let's get started. So the first question is, how does Odoo handle double entry accounting? So for this, we have to go to the accounting module. Here you go, accounting, and then go to the customer and then open invoices. Here you can open any one of the invoice. Let's say I am opening this invoice, and here you will see a tab named journal item. Click on this tab and then you can see that there is a double entry for a product that is debit and that is credit. So that's how Odoo handles double entry accounting. So that's the first question, and now move forward to the next question, that is, does Odoo automatically create accounting journal entries? So for this my answer is yes, and I will show you that's why it is yes for the Odoo automatically create accounting journal entry. So for this we have to create a new invoice. So let's create a new invoice and then select your customer. Here you go, select customer, and then here fill the invoice date also, and after that click on add a line. And when you click on add a line, select your product here, and after that you will see confirm your invoice, and you will see that you don't have to create any journal entry for this invoice you for this product. The journal entry has automatically created when we fill the product, when we select the right product. Okay, so that's how Odoo automatically create accounting journal entries. So similarly for vendor bill, like this. And now move forward, next question, that is, what type of financial reports can Odoo generate out of the box? So for this, you can see here in reporting that Odoo can generate balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow statement, journal ledger. That these type of reports Odoo can generate automatically, and you can see these sheet, like this is your balance sheet. You can see this is the also in reporting, and also you can see P&L, and also you can see general ledger, and these type of reports Odoo can generate out of the box. So the next question is, how does Odoo manage account receivable and payable? So for this, you go to the accounting and then go to the customer and then invoices. Here you can see there is a button, that is a filter button, and click on this and you can select your filter to pay. So that is for unpaid invoices. When you select this button, you can see these are your unpaid invoices and also these are your account receivable. So that's how you can see account receivable, and also and similarly for account payable, go to the vendors and then go to the bills, and then you can see here the filter button. Click on this filter button and also select the filter to pay, and then when you select to pay filter button, you can see your unpaid bills, and these are your account payables. So that's how Odoo manage account receivable and account payables. So thank you, see you in the next video.